Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to pay with Binance. First, understand that Binance provides several convenient ways to utilize your cryptocurrency for everyday purchases. Whether you're shopping online or in person, you can leverage your digital assets. We'll cover the primary methods, from using a crypto card to direct merchant payments. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps, making your crypto more accessible than ever. There are a few key ways to pay using Binance. The Binance card is a popular option, converting your crypto to fiat at the point of sale, much like a debit card. Then there's Binance Pay, which facilitates instant, zero-fee cryptocurrency payments to participating merchants directly from your Binance account. Additionally, certain online platforms and services allow you to pay directly from your Binance wallet by scanning a QR code or entering a wallet address. When paying with Binance, security is a top priority. Binance implements advanced encryption and multi-factor authentication to safeguard your assets during every transaction. Beyond security, paying with crypto often means faster processing times and significantly lower fees compared to conventional banking methods. You also gain enhanced financial privacy, as transactions are recorded on a blockchain without revealing personal banking details. It's a modern, efficient way to manage your spending. To begin paying with Binance, ensure your account is fully verified. This step is crucial for accessing all payment functionalities, including applying for a Binance card or using Binance Pay. Take some time to explore the growing list of merchants and services that accept crypto payments through Binance. It's an exciting time to integrate digital assets into your daily spending. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.